Contractors, construction workers, let me tell you something that everyone knows, but is never said. We all, deep down, want your job. Think about it. Total strangers will literally stand on a sidewalk for 20 minutes, staring through a tiny hole in a plywood barrier, just to watch you move dirt. Kids, commuters, CEOs, it doesn't matter. They're all mesmerized. Why? Because you're the ones actually creating the future, while the rest of us just stare at spreadsheets. You turn blank space into skyscrapers. And frankly, it looks awesome. But behind the scenes, we know it's not all glory and heavy iron. If the field moves fast, your tech stack gets messy, and suddenly you're spending half your day playing amateur tech support instead of building empires. You didn't step out of the truck to manage a headache, which is exactly why we built Service IQ. We built the all-in-one operational engine to clear the digital chaos, protect your real margins, and give you flat-rate, unlimited user freedom. Service IQ. You keep building the future. We'll handle the paperwork.